23 gallery, and this is my show, Melon Skin. And this is a body of work that I've been working on since 2019. So as you can see, there's tons of melons. The entire show consists of 6 plexiglass domes that have inside them melons that have images transferred on their surface, and they're held up by a combination of carved and cast plaster. I call them shelves. The way that this kind of began was I was eating a cantaloupe one day and I threw the rind in the trash and it kind of sat there on top of the trash. Also a sign that I probably needed to take out the trash. But my bite marks were left in the rind, and I started thinking about kind of what's left after we consume something, or kind of just what's left after in our wake. And so I was thinking about if I were to die, my mother would find this cantaloupe rind and it would have my mark on it, and kind of what vibrations are left on the objects that we interact with and touch. And I started digging into that more and more and started looking at vanitas paintings. And so initially these were called vanitas works, and I started off by cutting melons in half and transferring the images on them, which was a whole nother experiment. Kind of at the same time I was working with these cantaloupes, I was also working with material, a collagen film, which is traditionally used for kind of meat drying or casing sausage. And I found it worked as a great material, skin-like material to transfer images on. And so I was putting the images on the melons and then letting them kind of rot and get icky, and seeing how the surface bubbled or folded or got bloated. I just really liked seeing that process of maybe a slow death or a transformation that occurred over time. When I was approached to do this show, I decided that I wanted to really make a body of work that could change and transform over the course of the entire show. And so with these works, I change them weekly and the images on them weekly. And I'd like to think that there's a theme for each one, each round of images. The first round, I would say the overarching theme was tenderness. And this kind of is one of the last remaining images of that.